Sige, bye-bye!
Hello, Nang Linda. Happy birthday. Kumusta? Always healthy. I wish you and I love you. Auntie.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Wish you more birthdays to come and happy always. Happy birthday.
Happy 77th birthday, Auntie Mana. Wish you all the best and happiness in life.
Auntie Mana, happy birthday. Muwa chup chup. Ang importante mayo panglawas nato. Good health, bless to your family. Sa imong mga apo, mayo panglawas. O dihara kutob. Happy birthday.
Hi, Nanglen! Happy 75th birthday! More candles to blow and may God bless you. Good health, strength, happiness, and more years to celebrate. God bless you always. Happy birthday!
Dahon kayo kay ari kami sa concert sa Balay-Balay cover ground. Happy birthday, Auntie Lynn. Birthday wish ako nimo is long life. Ma-enjoy pa nimo imong life uban sa imong mga apo. Ug mas uban pa nimo imong mga anak for many years. Happy birthday. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Mami Erlinda. Happy birthday. I wish you more birthdays to come and good health. Amping diha and puhon, makabakasyon kami liwat.
Happy birthday, Lola Linda. May you always have more blessings, good health, and happiness, and a long life. Happy birthday.
3.
Happy 77th birthday, Auntie Mana! Wish you more birthdays to come and good health always.
More
Happy
candles to blow.
birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hello, Mi. Happy birthday. I wish you nga you'll have good health always. I know layo ko dira, but I always pray nga God will provide you more blessings dira sa Cebu, and of course good health, and of course long life as well. May always remember that we always love you, and I hope makavisit ko dira very soon, and maligo kita sa dagat or pool kung asa imo gusto, or maglaag ta. So enjoy your day, and stay strong always, and ako si Lotlot and si Ainel, who love you always, and bye, happy birthday again.